Deny. To refuse to permit or allow someone to do something. I denied because it was wrong. Peel. To remove the outer covering from a fruit or vegetable. I am peeling the mango for my son. Trim. To reduce the amount or size of something. I will trim the trees in the garden tomorrow. Grin. A wide smile. He grinned to look at me for no reason. Stir. To move a spoon in order to mix it thoroughly. Please stir the sauce until it's smooth. Roam. To go from place to place without purpose or direction. He roamed in the park for no reason. Bury. To put something under the ground. We buried the garbage under the tree. Pluck. To take hold of something and quickly remove it from its place. She is plucking her eyebrows with tweezers. Dump. To put down or drop something in a careless way. Please don't dump the rubbish here. Snap. To break suddenly and quickly with a cracking sound. He snapped the tree branch. Bark. To make the loud, short noise that a dog and some other animals make. The dog is barking loudly at the gate. Gulp. To swallow hurriedly or greedily or in one swallow. He gulped a cup of coffee in a tea break. Pile. Place things one on top of the other. We piled the stuffs on outside of the house. Bump. To come against something with a lot of force. He is a bad boy. He bumped into me but didn't say sorry. Feed. To give food to a person, group, or animal. She is feeding the hens. Weep. To cry tears. She is weeping because you put her ice cream in the fridge. Knit. To make clothes, etc. from wool, cotton or other thread. I knitted a scarf for my baby. Leak. To escape from a hole or crack in a pipe or container. The water is leaking from the bucket in the kitchen. Seal. To close something completely. I sealed the document for sending it. Exit. A way out of a building, room, or passenger vehicle. I will exit the office at 5 p.m. by the rear door. Chat. To talk to someone in a friendly and informal way. We are still chatting online.